In this section, we will see how to install JDK on Windows platform. Go to Java download, select JDK 8th version and select Windows 8 tab. So you can find there are two versions are there. One for 32-bit, second one is for 64-bit. You need to find which operating system version you are using in your computer. Go to about your PC and you can find that system version whether it is 64 or 32-bit. Currently, I'm using 64-bit, so I will go to 64-bit version and download it. So click on that .exe file, accept the agreements and log into Oracle document and download it. Once it downloaded, double click it and click next button to install it. JDK will install in C program files under that Java folder. We're gonna wait for a few minutes. You can see the path and click next. So after installation step, we need to configure class path variable. Go to C, program files, Java folder. You can find two folders. One is JDK, second one is GRE. JDK is for development kit, GRE is for runtime environment configuration. So let's do configuring path variable. Select my PC, go to the about page and click advanced system settings and then click environment variables and go to system variable configuration and click the path and click edit. If it is not available, click new, create path variable. Here we need to add our JDK path. So go to JDK installation directory path, see program files, Java, and then JDK, and then bin folder. Copy this path and then edit or click new just to add that path. Paste that path here and click OK. So once you update the Java path to path variable, you have to configure Java underscore home path. So it's a new variable. So create another variable Java underscore home under user variable configuration. Give the same path and click OK. We configured path. Now we need to test it Java version. So open command prompt and then type java c space minus version and similarly java space minus version. C indicates compilation, Java indicates runtime. That's it. You successfully installed Java on Windows operating system.